Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's review is one that blends elegance, legacy, and an unexpectedly modern twist. We're taking a close, detailed look at the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a name that once defined European automotive beauty, now reborn with new life and technology for a completely new era. This isn't just a re-release. This is a reinvention of a design icon. At first glance, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is unmistakable. Even if you've never seen the original, the shape speaks volumes. Its silhouette flows with the kind of curves and proportions that feel more art than engineering. The low stance, the tapered roofline, and the wide rear haunches all carry that distinctive Karmann Ghia DNA. But look closer, and you'll notice this isn't a retro clone. It's a modern evolution. At the front, the face is clean and minimal. You get slim matrix LED headlights that give the car a sharp, futuristic look, subtly integrated into rounded fenders that pay homage to its air-cooled ancestor. There's no oversized grille here, just a subtle vent treatment and the updated VW badge glowing faintly in white. From the side, the coupe's body feels sculpted by the wind. Flush door handles, hidden trim lines, and a beautiful chrome accent that curves along the window edge highlight the car's attention to form. It rides on 19-inch turbine-inspired wheels that perfectly match its blend of classic and contemporary, and with the slightly flared wheel arches and low ride height, the stance feels sporty without screaming aggression. It's elegant, composed, and quietly confident. At the rear, the Karmann Ghia embraces simplicity again. You'll find sleek LED taillights that wrap around softly, giving the back end a refined and unmistakable signature at night. A subtle integrated spoiler extends from the trunk lid at speed, helping with aerodynamics and giving the rear profile a little extra character. Even the rear bumper design is clean and tasteful. And if you look closely, you'll notice the diffuser blends form with function to improve airflow and stability. Step inside, and the interior is something truly unique. Volkswagen clearly wanted to create a cabin that would respect the spirit of the original, but not get stuck in the past. The dashboard is clean and symmetrical, with a long horizontal flow of satin aluminum and wood grain that stretches from door to door. A circular digital gauge cluster pays tribute to the old analog dials, but is packed with configurable information. At the center, you'll find a 12.9-inch floating touchscreen that operates VW's latest infotainment system. It's fast, crisp, and full of intuitive gesture controls and voice commands. Materials inside feel premium, from the soft leather on the seats to the hand-stitched accents and subtle ambient lighting. The seats are slim and sculpted, offering excellent support and surprising adjustability for a car with a compact footprint. There's also more room than you'd expect, especially up front, and while the rear seats are more of a nod to practicality than meant for long rides, they're usable for short trips or extra luggage. Sound insulation is impressive too, giving the cabin a peaceful atmosphere even at highway speeds. Under the sleek body, the Karmann Ghia is powered by a fully electric drivetrain. Volkswagen offers it in two variants: a rear-wheel drive version, producing 240 horsepower, and a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup making 320 horsepower. The single-motor model is perfect for those who want effortless cruising and elegant handling, while the dual-motor version delivers spirited acceleration and dynamic grip, perfect for backroad driving. Both versions are quick off the line, smooth in delivery, and incredibly quiet. The electric range is equally impressive, with up to 300 miles on a full charge, thanks to the 77 kWh battery pack shared with other VW EVs. DC fast charging is supported, allowing 10–80% top-ups in about 30 minutes. On the road, the car feels balanced and agile. Steering is precise, the ride is composed, and the regenerative braking is adjustable to suit your driving style. Whether you're gliding through a city or taking a long coastal drive, the Karmann Ghia feels effortless and joyful. As for pricing, the 2025 Karmann Ghia starts around $48,000 for the base RWD version and climbs up to about $58,000 for the fully loaded AWD trim. That puts it in line with premium electric coupes and even some luxury sedans. But what you're paying for here is design, emotion, and a true one-of-a-kind driving experience. It doesn't try to be everything to everyone. It focuses on being beautiful, refined, and deeply connected to its roots. If you're looking for a car that brings a sense of occasion every time you get behind the wheel, this might be it. It's not the fastest EV on the road. It's not the biggest, but it might be one of the most stylish, thoughtful, and soulful. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia isn't just back, it's been reborn, and it might just be one of the most charming electric cars ever made. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this review and love seeing unique cars with a story, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got plenty more coming your way, and you won't want to miss what's next. Until then, take care. Drive something that makes you feel something, and we'll see you on the road.